No way. No way.
We're here at ERX, first time out here in the trucks, and qualifying went pretty good for me. Ended up third, 8 inversions, so we're going to be starting 6th. RJ qualified 7th, they pulled an 8, so he'll be starting first row outside, and he's getting ready for the race right now.
Come with their own stand?
Yeah, I didn't have the best run today, but you know, caught that invert, so we're just going to hang out, relax, and get ready for race day.
CJ Greaves is going to pick his pocket, but here comes LeDuc as well. Anderson now finds himself in third. Oh, he goes all sideways.
Anderson goes around, collects Johnny Greaves, and
it was literally door, wide open, door, and then crawls the bank with the right front, and like, good. It was pretty sweet.
There's a hole. So
I thought it was all
the
over.
hole, then hit the outside fluff. I'd steer into it, bounce it off this way, climb the wall, and exit. There's a lot going on in there.
Why are steering you?
Well, just really not my day. I was driving pretty rough the first half. Got it together after the halfway caution a little bit, and then got together with Kyle Greaves a little bit and bent the tie rod. So pretty much ended my day.
Dude, I was turning the wheel out there today.
Like crazy, you're sawing, bro.
I might need
how many logs you did?
I might need a new steering wheel after I turned that wheel so many times. But I got thrown into the wolves. I started up front, passed for the lead, I think second lap or so. After only having 3 laps of practice, I was a little western leading the field. Felt good. I mean, we made a lot of progress on the truck, so I'm happy. It's frustrating. I made a mistake and kind of spun it out and got together with Johnny, but it was all my fault. Man, it's just a big learning curve trying to come out here and paddle with these guys, but I'm excited to get the truck fixed up and go back at it tomorrow. Again, and then dry them off with the white ones. These kids needed 20 bucks for some sunglasses, so nothing's free in this world. Putting them to work, earning their 20 bucks around here.
Just squirrels out there, just squirreling around. Get you every time. I think it's the 5th actually from the same one. So, CRANDON, see you out there on the track, bud.
Yesterday.
Already look at CJ Greaves now. He's going to go to that bottom side, try to get around R.J. Anderson. Back up front, our race for the lead. R.J. Anderson putting all kinds of pressure now on the 33 of C.J. Green. Anderson down to the bottom. He'll take over the race lead here in Pro 4 round 6.
Well, we brought the fight. New track, never been here before, and man, the guys got me to the lead both days, and a couple mistakes on my behalf. Wasn't able to hold it, but a lot better day today. Got so sketchy when CJ got inside of me. First, I passed him and got away from those guys in the beginning of the race, and so that felt pretty good. Passing the points leaders in this deal and being able to run away from them a bit. Then after the yellow and the dry, just need to work on our setup there a little bit. I made some mistakes, and that's in the end what bit us. So overall, super pumped, thankful to bring home this podium, and time to carry this momentum into CRANDON.